Okay, 2019 Kia Sorento hood latch. Felt like it was broke. There was no tension at all. We thought that it might have broken here, but it turns out the hood latch is this. It goes into that little bracket. It had popped out of that bracket and was just hanging there. So we had somebody come out and they were able to go underneath, and if you look, you can see down there, they were able to reach up from down there and grab that which was hanging over here a little bit. So basically that is right in front of the battery. Looking from the front of the car straight down. So that is the piece that popped out, literally popped out of that little thing right there. It was just hanging right here. You could see and reach up. Okay. Couldn't find anything else on YouTube about that. 2019 Kia Sorento, if your hood won't release.